Opinion Best Running Apps for Apple Watch. 1. Workout. The Workout app is an app that helps you track your fitness activities, such as walking, running, cycling, swimming, and more. You can use the Workout app on your iPhone, Apple Watch, or other compatible devices to measure your heart rate, calories burned, distance, speed, and other metrics. You can also set goals, view your progress, earn awards, and share your results with your friends. The Workout app is part of the Apple Fitness app, which also includes Apple Fitness Plus, a subscription service that offers guided workouts and personalized recommendations. The Workout app is an app that helps you track your fitness activities, such as walking, running, cycling, swimming, and more. However, some users have reported issues with the Workout app, such as inaccurate or missing heart rate data, calories burned, distance, speed, or other metrics. Workout data not being recorded, synced, or displayed correctly on the iPhone, Apple Watch, or other devices. Workout app crashing, freezing, or not responding during or after a workout. Workout app not detecting or connecting to external sensors, such as Bluetooth headphones, heart rate monitors, or cadence sensors. To troubleshoot these issues, you can try the following solutions. Make sure your iPhone, Apple Watch, and other devices are updated to the latest software versions. Check your settings and permissions for the Workout app, the Health app, and the Fitness app on your devices. Restart your devices and reset your network settings. Calibrate your Apple Watch by doing a 20-minute outdoor walk or run with GPS enabled. Unpair and pair your Apple Watch and your iPhone again. Contact Apple support if the issues persist. 2. Strava. 3. Runkeeper. 4. Nike Run Club. 5. Adidas Running, formerly Runtastic. 6. Couch to 5K Runner.